Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how I enter a trade and how to react on the market and every situation change. So market moves itself. We cannot predict or we cannot move them at all. We just follow the footprints of the market. And if the market goes up, we need to follow the Musavi, but suddenly market can change its direction and suddenly can go down, and in that case we need to react to the market. We need to do what market do. So I'm going to show you here some example of how to reading the chart and how to read the chart and how to react on the market by taking an entry. Here I marked and GPOD chart, and that's a good for me to show you to make you understand. As just ignore this level. So here first thing that last week happened, this level, this area is being acted as a resistance. Here has been broken, has been resistance here, and has become support here. So that is considered as a good level. So as long as market is staying above the level, we will look forward for buy from this area. For taking any sell entry, we need to look to break below the level and stay and make some let the market to be established below the level for a while. Then we look forward for sell on this area. So as long as this market is staying above this level, we are looking forward for buy only. So we already found our direction buy from this level up to this level. We look forward for buy. Okay, so how we need to react? Here is market's gone by already, but this might happen, market goes by, and these things happen from suddenly market goes down this to this level, and this might be like this, market goes up and break below strongly. So everything can happen. This happened by, that is good, but this might happen sell as well. So we first go to lower time frame to H1 channel, and here let's look at that is the okay, say the week is being started. That's the mark. Week is being started from here. Week is being started from this area as the weekly opening. So after a moment we are monitoring the market, that we are staying here start of the week area. So we are monitoring every hour. Okay, it's very corrective till now. We are moving in the time already. 4, 5, 6 hours has been gone, and suddenly we found a strong momentum that is indicating this correcting bias is going to break because of this strong. So how's our risk ratio here? We already got 50 pips of stop loss with 41 and 10 pips stopper. So we usually need to look for buy this area, the stop loss here. Then time flies. Okay, nothing, still corrective. Okay, so finally we got it at direction. Okay, that's gone up. Here we can see first we already took buy from here, and here our entry is running with profit of till here is 111 pips. We saw first rejection here, and it's some kind of flat market in this area. This is indicating buys are getting weaker. So we'll hold the trade until we confirm, until we see some pairs to take over the control. So till here there is no, it's become corrective, it's okay, but it's not like that sellers took over the control like this. So time flying, we saw another rejection, and there's been it's become very flat here, and there's a fighting between buyers and sellers. You can see buy, you can see sell, and buy, sell again. So finally we got something here. Oh, something here. They buy, they sell, buy, and this sell is very strong comparing to this level, and already broke this level and stays below this level. So we are out. We are out here. We took the position here. We are out here. We already got 79 pips. So we know our direction is buy. So we will look forward for buy only. So here you see seller. It's been sell till that it's been sell. So this sell we missed because the market bias is buy. So we will not look for sell until we see strong sell. This sell is not that much strong, not that much. You can see here has been 80 pips, 1, 2, 3, 4 hour 80 pips, but so strong sell means there you will see some big movement in 5-minute chart. Whatever it is, as long as we are staying above the our daily level, we will look for buy. So here we will see buy again. Okay, here you see some flat pattern again. This means these sellers become weaker and indecisive. Indecisive means there is some kind of dozy candle has been formed here, and we see the sell again. This means markets come down, get some correction, and it will continue sell. This means it's still a seller's territory. Sellers are in control. So what happens to the next candle? Oh ho ho, the next candle. This means there was a sellers, and suddenly sellers has been rejected here, and buyers took over the control and engulfed this situation. So our bias was buy. We see some bearish rejection and bullish engulf in low time frame. This means this is indicating us to take a buy position here. Beg pardon. Take a buy position from here after closing the, and in that case our stop loss would be 60 to 61 pips. Okay, what happened to the next candle? Still in buy. Okay, sellers are being rejected. Sellers tried to market push down, but it couldn't able. So we're staying buy. What happened to the next? Let's go. Okay, this become very corrective here as well. But we're staying in profit. Okay, you see here's the level, our level, and in this level market buyers are getting weaker. This means sellers are still waiting at this area, and we see some rejection here, we see some strong sell comparing to this area. So we bought here, we will close our trade with 40 pips or take some partial and set stop loss at break even. I would recommend to close the trade. Let's see what's next. This means sellers are still in the market. But not trying to push the market down. Here's some buyers as well. Okay, here's some buyers as well. What happened here? What happened here? How do we enter the market here? So here's nothing we can do because the sellers has been rejected and there is no good sign, a good candle like this, so we missed this scenario. This happens in the market. Sometimes we'll miss the scenario, sometimes we do wrong or whatever. Okay, let it go, let it go, let it go. What we see here, what you see here is market goes up. We missed our opportunity of this level at somewhere here. We didn't see seller at this area. If you could find some sellers, we see some sellers have been taken out by buyers, and then we might take entry from this area, but this things isn't happen. This means market is very impulsive and is towards our bias, so it's gonna go up. We see some flat pattern in this area and we see some sellers to come, but the seller didn't come to over the control of the market and buyers took the control here for the further move. So we take buy from here with the stop loss here 60 to 70 pips, and then we will let the market go. Okay, we took the position here, and here's another key level has been calmed. Our weekly level, daily level has been calmed in this area, and we should see some rejection here. So we will hold the trade until we see some kind of sellers to take over the recent low with the early close, like things like here, things like here. So these things didn't happen like this till now, so we will hold our trade. Oh more, what do you see? Market takes some rest here and goes up and goes above the level. So we might close at this area as our target level has been come, or we will hold a trade till now. But the main thing is we need to consider, we read the market direction, we read the market biases, buy from here, and how we'll monitor every hour market does, or every 2 or 3 hour hereafter. Then we will change decision instantly according to the market. What did you see? We bought here, we changed our decision here, market comes sell, and we didn't sell as the market bias is buy. So here we took another entry, suddenly the decision has been changed, and we are out in this area with the 40 pips, and we missed this opportunity here, and we took another that's been running with 140 pips. So this is how we need to trade at strongly bullish momentum. In our next video we will show how we can trade on corrective and volatile structure. So if the market becomes very volatile and very corrective, here market is very impulsive, so we took the buy positions only, but in volatile market we have a chance to take buy from here, we have a chance to take sell from here. So thank you everyone for watching my video, and visit our website for more videos, and we are bringing some exciting offers for our customers for all around the world. So stay tuned. Thank you.